It's time for
What is that noise? Is it the Tooth Fairy?
George, can you hear something?
Anyone here? The little piggies are asleep, and so are the big piggies. The sleepy princess was so sleepy, she had fallen fast asleep.
Thank you for that story, King Daddy.
You're welcome.
Daddy Pig, you should.
Pig can hear you.
Daddy Pig and Uncle Pig have fallen asleep.
You can tell they are brothers.
Daddy! We forgot Daddy!
Oh, yes, we forgot Dad.
Mamá Cerdita y Papá Cerdito todavía están dormidos.
¡Despierten, es mi cumpleaños! ¡Despierten!
Good night, Pepper and George. Sleep well.
It is bedtime for Pepper and George. And it looks as if it is bedtime for Mummy and Daddy too. It is morning.
Mamá y Papá Pig aún están durmiendo.
Mr. Zebra's song has sent everyone to sleep.
Well, I'm going...
I can hear snoring.
At last, Pepper and George are asleep.
And then they all lived happily ever after. The end.
Pepper? George?
Shush! Mummy is asleep.
It looks like Princess Pepper is the best at telling bedtime stories.
That's right. I am. Granny! Granny!
Pepper and George are asleep after their first day on holiday with Kylie Kangaroo.
Mostly sleeping, I think.
Pepper loves the Adventure Caravan. Everybody loves the Adventure Caravan.
Piece of cake.
If that's all you have to do, taking care of a baby is easy.
Don't let the bed bugs bite.
It works, Grandpa. George, I think he's asleep. Maybe we should take him to his crib. Sleep tight. Yay, it worked! Baby Alexander's asleep.
La verdad, que es muy perezoso, ¿verdad? Rolly. Ah, he's asleep.
Haven't the squirrels done well today, Dougie? Oh,
Sleep well, caterpillar.
well, Dougie, it looks like it's nap time. Oh, woof.
What's that?
Asleep at last.
Zaza says, do you like camping, Sergeant Smash? Yes, you need to be tough to survive this, Zaza.
Rolly has the right idea, squirrels. Oh, look. Sleepy squirrels.
Doggy?
Other animals like to sleep while holding on to something. Sea otters, Californian sea otters, they hold hands when they're sleeping, so they don't drift away from each other. Into the snow. I say, I think our knowledge of wildlife really helped Tag get to sleep. Well done, squirrels. You've earned your sleeping bag. Oh, that was... Ah, sleep tight, Dougie.
Hey!
Huh? Oh, son. Trees are home to spiders. Slumber. A place to sleep. A bed. A safe haven. Away from the hustle and bustle of... Bye, everybody. Oh, that was fun, wasn't it, Doug? Oh, Dougie.
I was at Squirrel Club. Only... Betty! Can I go to the toilet? Where's my cup of water? Found it. Why is my pillow all wet? Where's my teddy? Ow! Huh? Dougie?
There you go, Pato.
Gaston!
Esa vez que se tragó un coco y saltaba parado de manos queriéndolo escupir.
Shoo, shoo. And falls asleep.
Okay.